Welcome back to Berry Life. Last year, my wife and I visited Shanghai, and we toured the Shanghai Tower. They have a great observation deck on the 118th floor. Provides a great view of the city. As we were leaving, we decided to stop and grab a bite to eat, and stopped at a restaurant called Paradise Dynasty. We were lucky as we caught them just before closing. And we're really glad we did, because we had one of our favorite dishes there, wood ear mushrooms. Today, we're sharing with you that recipe. So let's get started. We'll start by chopping a red chili. We have these long hot red finger chilies. These are mildly spicy. Feel free to use a spicier variety if desired. We like the red color because of how vibrant it looks. We'll cut these in half rounds this time. Other times we leave them as rings. Next, we'll julienne some green onions. We typically don't use this cut very often, but for a salad like this, or a vegan Peking duck, it's really nice. In order to get these matchstick shapes, we chop the green onion into 2-inch pieces, then gently press the piece down to flatten it, and then slice lengthwise. Then lastly, we have the wood ear mushrooms. They come in a package like this at the local Asian market. You can also purchase them dried. Check out the link in the description below. I assume these are called wood ear because they do have a resemblance to an ear. A lot of mushrooms are commonly named after what they resemble. To prep these, we'll bring a pot of water to a boil, add the mushrooms, and allow them to cook for about 5 minutes. For the dehydrated mushrooms, you'll need to soak them for about 30 minutes prior. While the mushrooms are boiling, we'll prepare an ice bath. After 5 minutes, the mushrooms should be done. So we'll remove them from the water into a colander. We like to place the colander in the ice bath, makes it much easier to strain the mushrooms later. And then we'll set that aside and allow them to chill out for a minute. Next, we'll make the sauce or salad dressing. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and an optional ingredient, 1 bird's eye chili or Thai chili minced. We'll give it a mix. Feel free to add a tablespoon of water if this is too thick, and set it aside. Once the mushrooms are chilled, we'll toss them on a kitchen or paper towel and pat them dry. You can also use the salad spinner. It works great. With the mushrooms dry, we'll now assemble the salad in a large bowl. First we'll add the mushrooms. Next we'll top it off with our julienne green onions. And then the red chilies. Wow, look at that color pop. And lastly, drizzle in our salad dressing. This dressing goes well with cold noodles or other salads as well. Then we'll give it a gentle mix to combine. These mushrooms are tougher than they look, but we want to avoid any tearing. That's it, the wood ear mushroom salad is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other great recipes as well. And for this recipe, check out the video description below. This is such a versatile dish. It can serve as an appetizer, a side dish with rice and tofu, or a main dish to enjoy by itself. Now we'll garnish with a few sesame seeds for a little crunch. There you have it, wood ear mushroom salad. A taste of Shanghai in the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!